Good day and welcome to today's tutorial class. My name is Oluwatumbi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of Michael Tech. Alright, for today we will be producing the object on the screen. We're producing it in 3D using AutoCAD. Okay, I don't like this grid line, so I'm going to switch off this grid line. Okay, after that I need to set my parameters, so I come right here to drawing utilities, to units, this to a decimal place is okay, clockwise, scale to millimeters, direction towards the north, okay, and what, and okay. All right, so I'm going to pick a rectangle. Yeah, I think this one is okay for me. Is it okay? I don't know. Okay, let me use line. Yeah, I'm pressing F8 with my auto on. So horizontal line of length 175, enter. All right, yeah, vertical line of length of 50, enter. Then coming back here, 175, enter. Then ending it right here. Okay, escape. So I can actually move this to excuse us down here. Okay, so that is it. So I'm going to click on offset of what, 16, enter. From this inward here, and from this side offset of 16 inward here, then what, enter. So I'm coming here, my circle, I'm picking center diameter, so having the midpoint right here. Do you see? I'm drawing a circle of diameter 12, enter. So picking my circle also, coming right here at the center, circle of diameter was 12, enter. Okay, I can erase this and this out of the way, delete. So next is I'm going to come right here as displayed on the screen. I'm picking 3D modeling. All right, so I can swivel this way and like this, as you can see on the screen. So I'm picking my press pull, picking this up towards the top, length of what, 9, then what, enter. So coming right here, I'm picking shade with edges as displayed on the screen. Okay, next, to draw the bracket beside it, I'm going to come right here. Okay, I'm picking face, I'm picking this face, then what, accept, as you can see on the screen right there. So after doing that, the next thing is this: we have calculations to make. Okay, so total distance from here to here is what, 175, and as you can see, those marks 32 plus 32 is what, 64. So 64 minus 175 is what, 111. So I'm picking my line. Okay, picking my line, standing right here, I draw length of what, 111, enter. Okay, yeah, extending it towards the top. Yeah, distance to the center of our circle here is what, 28. So length of 28, enter. Then what, back here, 111, enter. Okay, then I'm going to what, end it right there. Okay, so now what is the next thing? I'm coming right here to pick my circle, center diameter. Okay, locating the midpoint right here. Then I'm drawing a circle of diameter 50, first of all, 50, enter. Then picking the same circle, I'm drawing a diameter of what, 25, diameter 25, enter also. So doing that, I pick my line, picking my line. Okay, yeah, ensuring my tangent is on. Let me check. Okay, tangent is on right there. So picking my line, switching off my auto mode, I pick my line, I stand right at this junction right here, I extend right here. Okay, as you can see on the screen, yeah, tangent right there. So picking my line also from this junction, okay, up here, yeah, tangent, likewise also, enter. So we don't need this, and we don't need this, so I what, delete them. I'm left with this. So what's the next step? I'm going to pick my press pull, picking my press pull. All right, I'm having this towards this direction. First of all, distance of what? 9, enter. Then I'm picking this towards the direction, distance of what? 12. Then what? Enter. Okay, so I'm picking union this and this, then what? Enter. So they become one as it were. All right, so what's the next step? The next step is I'm going to click on copy. I'm clicking on copy. So what am I copying? This object. Enter. So from which area? I'm looking to the midpoint here. Okay, so let me switch off my tangent here on my quadrant. It's going to be from here, sorry. So I'm switching off quadrant. Okay, yeah, so back to this. So I'm picking my copy, I'm picking my object, enter. So I need to zoom it closer. Midpoint, you see, midpoint, picking that midpoint. Okay, now coming right here, we need to locate the midpoint on this area here. So that is the midpoint right there. I click, you see it is sitting comfortably. Then what? Escape. Okay, so this is what is actually going to happen. I'm going to click on this object right here, click on this, you see, move it downward. I'm left with that line. Please take note of what I'm doing right there. Take note. So what I'm going to do here is this. Now I'm going to click on my press pull again. So I'm going to do this towards this side here. Okay, distance of what? 9, enter. Then this towards that side, distance of what? 12, enter. So after doing that, we don't need this any longer. I can delete this. Yeah, so this is what I'm working with now. I'm placing this on the opposite side. Okay, so how do I go about this now? How do I go about this? So I'm going to actually turn this like this. Okay, and I'm going to click on move. Clicking on move. Okay, first of all I need to union them. So I click on this solid union. Okay, first and what? Second, then what? Enter. So then I click on what? Move. Clicking on move, I pick the midpoint, which is the most important. I click select object. First of all, select object, enter. Then I start looking for the midpoint. Okay, which is the most important. Yeah, so I need to actually pick the midpoint, because that is the most important point. Yeah, search for it. It should be somewhere here. So until I have midpoint. Okay, yeah, until I have midpoint. Okay, I can actually use the help of this. No, not this, sorry. I need something here. Okay, I'm coming, please. Okay, I can first of all turn it this way. Okay, turning it this way, you see where I click there. So let me click on move again. Move, click objects, click enter. Yeah, locate the midpoint. So you see I have my midpoint there, picking my midpoint. So I can come to this my block here and pick the 3D surface back. So I have it right there. Okay, so zoom it this in. So midpoint right here is here. There's our midpoint right here. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, I think I found it. Yeah, I'm clicking that, but it's not sitting. It's not sitting very well. It's not sitting very well yet. So I need to undo that. Yeah, that's a mistake. Okay, so move. select, enter, midpoint. Okay, then I'm going to click the edge of my this thing. So clicking the edge there, yeah, it must actually come to the top here, you know. Yeah, I think it's okay like this. Okay, yeah, I think it's okay like this. Cross check. That's it. Okay, this way. Yeah, yeah, I think it's okay like this. Yeah, properly placed like this. I think it's properly placed like this, so we don't need this. I'm deleting this out. Delete. Alright, so what's the next thing to do? We are going to click on union, this, and this, then what? Enter. Okay, yeah. So after that, I click on what? Fillet of radius 9. I click on 9, then what? Enter. So fillet of radius 9, enter. So that area first of all. Oh, sorry, that's a mistake. Okay, very big mistake. So fillet, clicking on my fillet, I'm going to click on radius right here. I'm going to press 9, then what? Enter. So yeah, I'm picking this C. Please open your eyes and see. Do you see where my distance is? I'm clicking that junction, and I click on enter, enter. You see. So I click on repeat fillet. Okay, radius 9, enter. You see, I place it at that junction, then I what? I click, then I press enter, enter. Alright, so likewise, tilting it this other way also. I click on repeat fillet, this junction right here, I just click, I press enter, enter. I click on repeat fillet also, this junction, then what? Enter, enter. So that is the reproduction of the object on the screen. I can come here and pick what just shaded. Okay, that's it. So clicking on this, we can actually move the whole of this way. Okay, moving it that way, I can do away with this, and this out of the way. Alright, so that is the reproduction of our object on the screen. Can you see that? So that is it being viewed from this different perspective. Okay, yeah, so that is it. So kindly ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. My name remains Oluwatumbi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of Michael Tech. Thank you.